Hey you guys, this is Asani Beauty coming to you with one last video. I've done a full face of makeup. I did my hair. I did so many things self-care wise. The last thing I'm going to do is clean my makeup brushes and clean up all my tools. So here is a set of brushes that I am going to clean today. And this is a set of face brushes. This is the BH Cosmetics Sculpt and Blend 2 I have in here. And I also have a Real Techniques face brush. I have an e.l.f. blending brush in here that I'm going to clean. And this is also the BH Cosmetics Smoky Eye Set. I'm going to clean that as well. So what I'm going to do is give you guys a rundown on how I clean my brushes. Now what I use is a brush cleaner. I use two types. I either use the mini solid brush cleaner from Sephora. And then I'll use the Beauty Blender solid chill swirl. So I'll use one of the two. So what I did was I actually got some beauty blenders for Christmas from some sponges from the brand Beauty Blender for Christmas, and this is just one of the soaps that came with it. And then I have this Sephora brush cleaner, just the canister here that I'm going to use. And then what I like to do is I kind of already started this. Hold on just a second, let me clean it off. So what I do is, I don't know if this came with my Beauty Blender sponge set or if it came with the Sephora brush set, but I have this little agitator or rub board or whatever you want to call it for your brushes, which I put in the top here, and then I have the brush soap that I put in here. So these are the two. This is the item that I'm going to use to clean my brushes. So if you hold on just a second, I'm going to point the camera down to the sink and I'm going to run you through how I clean and lay out my makeup brushes. So hold on just a sec. Okay, can you see me? Alright, so what I'm about to do is show you how I clean my makeup brushes. Don't be looking at my tampon box, whatever. Okay, anyway, so I'm going to start with the eye brushes. I'm going to get a couple of them here. I'm going to wet them with some lukewarm water. I'm going to swirl them around in this soap, and then I'm going to swirl them in this little thing, and then I'm going to lay them out to dry. So that's kind of how I do. So here we go. We're getting warm water, kind of lukewarm. You don't want your water hot because that will diminish the glue that's holding your brushes together. So we want lukewarm water, and maybe cold. It's up to you. So here's what I'm doing, getting them wet. So then I'm going to take this here, and I'm just going to get them soapy like that, all right? And then I'm going to put them in this agitator here, and that's going to get them all the way cleaned up, all right? And then we're going to rinse, and I like to put my fingers through it a little bit, all right? And then I'm going to lay it down on the towel right here, and then I'm going to take this and kind of just spread out squeeze out some of the water. And so we'll just lay them out here, and then we'll do the same thing with these. Wet them, right? Pull this out. Get them soapy, right? Get your agitator and just scrub. Alright, so that's how that's working. Alright, then I'm going to rinse out. Alright, and so let's use like bigger brush. So I'll just do this one by itself. Get it wet. Swirl it around in the soap. Get it soapy. Alright, agitator. Alright, rinse. Alright, if you take a look, I also posted a video with 5 tips to clear skin, and one of them is keeping your makeup brushes washed. So this will be really helpful to you who wear makeup and maybe seeing a breakout. This is what you want to do. So, alright, so we have that there. Gonna lay it out, dry it. Soap out of the way. Soap on the nose. Sorry. Alright. Okay. Just gonna rinse my soap off, get all the dirty stuff off. Yeah. Alright. Then once we finish, we want to clean our soap. And that's it. Alright, and I'll just... Just finished up a video on how I wash my brushes to go along with that in the series of clear skin series. I also posted a video with 5 tips on how to keep your skin clear, and I also posted some videos on my face wash routine. So go ahead and check those videos out. Definitely hit like if you like this video. Definitely hit subscribe and ring that bell so that you can get the notices as soon as I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember www.asanibeauty.com, and have a great day. Be beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.